So here it is. We found ourselves on red onion harvest day.
Oof.
We don't know what we're going to find, but we believe that we planted them too close together and we're expecting runts.
I'm expecting no onions.
No onions? Oh, that can't be.
I don't know what I'm expecting.
Just don't say it. There's no way we watered these things for 100 days and got no onions. Oh, that one's gripping. It's got to be an onion. So just be careful of the pepper plant there. Oh, that's gripping like there's an onion in there. That's fighting you. Ooh, that's fighting you. Do we need to get should we get a little hand shovel?
There you go. There's your onion.
Those are long and thin, aren't they?
There's your red onion, Dad.
Okay. Well.
Oh, the pungent smell.
Pungent?
I don't know what pungent means.
Pungent.
Oh well.
Okay, well, let's keep on moving.
I'm gonna go eat my food.
You're done with this, Victor?
Hey, I was just nuking up some food.
All right, fine. Go eat your nuked food, dude.
I'll watch the replay.
You'll watch the video?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, that's bulging. Oh, yeah.
A bunch more runs. Look. Yeah. This one doesn't even have a stem. It has the most shaped onion.
That's right. Save that dirt because we got radishes going in. Look at those roots, though, huh?
Back in earth. Just admiring our big pepper.
Look at that earth bulge. Woo!
Couple more runs.
Mega roots, though, huh? We grow some crazy mad red onion roots. Oh, so terrible. Can you believe we watered those for 100 days for that? All right, so we're not onion champs. But while we put the dirt back together, I will draw your attention to our pepper plants, which seem to have made quite a recovery. Okay, we're back. Ooh, man, that was too easy. Someone's been powerlifting over here.
I've been in the garden more than once and I've pulled more than one radish.
Yes, you have.
But I've never pulled an onion.
Can't say that anymore. You have now pulled onions too.
I've never pulled a white onion before.
That's a white onion. That is true. Those monsters are for next week. Look at those. Look at those monsters. Can't even see them. We should just pull them today. Let's finish the reds first. Woo! Mega. Look at that. That is.
For some reason, these seem to be bigger onions when they have no leaves.
I wonder how that works. I wonder if the leaves just recently died off. Because they've got to get the energy somehow, right?
We're going to push down our little worm friend. This is called a high pour from high dive.
A high pour from a high dive?
Yeah.
That was a worm?
No.
Oh.
It's just dirt.
Oh, just dirt.
I would never drop a worm.
You'd never drop a worm. You wouldn't make a worm squirm. All right, here we go. On to the next batch of gargantuan red onions. Oh, look at that. I mean, nobody grows red onions like us. We should probably write a book on how to grow such amazing red onions. I'd buy it.
Probably because they're your onions.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it'd be my book too. So.
Where would you get the book? Where would you get the hardcover? Where would you get any paper? Like I said. Oh well.
All right, on to the next final batch of red onions.
That was the easiest batch to pull ever. Well, there you go.
All right, hold them up. Let's see what we got. Hold them all. That's a lot of roots.
There you go. That's how you grow your own tiny, ridiculous red onions.
Mega. All right.
Here's the card if you want to buy them. Sweet red onions.
Sweet red onions. They better be sweet. All right. Should we move on to the white onions? Well, we were going to do the carrots too, the baby carrots. Should we do those?
Are they going to grow any bigger?
I don't know. But we need radish room. All right. So now we're moving on to the white onions.
Yeah.
These were the most pathetic out of pretty much everything we've grown. And I don't care if they can hear me say that. They've been a true disappointments. It's actually not too bad.
Not too shabby. So tiny.
You found another one, Victor? Hey, Victor, you want to go get the hand tool?
Yeah.
It'll be easier to, yeah. This will be much easier with a hand tool.
Hammer.
Although I guess a hammer is a hand tool.
Not a very useful one in this situation.
I don't know, you could use the claw. Hey, look at that! You uprooted a few white onions. Those are pathetic, aren't they? Woo! My goodness. We should write a book. That one's orange.
No, it's the skin.
Oh, cool.
It's just the skin.
Okay, let's wait until we get the tool. And then you can run it down next to it and just pry it up.
Oh, this is hot work just pulling a tiny red onion. Or a tiny orange onion. A tiny onion. Who cares if it's red, white, or blue? It's not Independence Day anymore. Why am I saying stuff? I already took it out.
That's all right, you can probably dig down in there too just to see if there's anything that was missed. It's not going to hurt anything.
And that's it. Yip chip. Ho hey. Whoa. I didn't mean to do that.
What do we have here?
And that one. And this one. And this one.
Another colossal harvest.
Yeah, it's massive.
Massive. People are going to be asking us, how did you grow these monster onions?
We didn't feed them.
We didn't feed them. That's true. This is what truly organic white onions look like. In excellent fertilizer, or excellent soil
Without
and daily water,
dig a hole
but
for
no fertilizer.
soldier in. Cover 'em up. Look, it's been saved.
Okay. So let that be a lesson to you, people. Fertilize your veggies.
Fertilize your onions.
Well, there's a cluster. Ooh, another cluster.
Decent size. Yeah. Oh no. No, buddy. No.
Here's another life lesson. Worms like to stay near roots of onions.
That's right. So make sure you bite right into your onion roots without looking.
No!
Oh,
It's not the lesson
what was the lesson again?
The lesson was to save your worms.
Save your worms.
Eat dirt.
We knew that, but you said where to find them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The life lesson
Are we doing? Are we out of onions?
No! Ew, it's a larvae! Gross. I thought it was a worm.
Is it a worm larvae?
Yeah. That's what I'll find it.
No.
Yay.
Don't eat it.
Yes, you eat it.
What if it just goes into the flower bed because you didn't eat it?
Just don't throw it at my pepper plant over there.
You never know. It could have been the other half of a worm that was cut off by the shovel.
I asked you and you said no.
It looked a little more like a larvae to me.
Worm down. This. Okay. Not bad.
Ew, earwig. It's an earwig.
Leave it.
All right. So, do you have all the
Also,
dirt you
another
can get
tip,
out of that?
Earwigs are bad inside, but they're good outside.
Earwigs eat bugs, so for a garden, they can be good. Although I think their larvae eat leaves, so that could be bad. So you decide on earwigs if they're good for you or not.
I'm just gonna pull.
Get the tool. Okay, now we're on to the carrots. Woo! Now you're talking. These were baby carrots, so we weren't expecting them to be monsters. Hold it up. Let me see it. There you go. All right.
I'm gonna pull everything. Almost everything.
Oh no.
There's
Split.
earwigs living inside of it.
That thing split hard.
Where's the other half of it?
It split. Let's see that one, Vivian. All right, all right. It's nice little baby carrots.
Looks like a nest. I can't get this and stuff open.
There you go.
I'm sad that this one broke open.
That
Yeah,
one's like the biggest one.
it couldn't hold its
Take
britches.
This one, but none of these. Like just this big one.
I was expecting bigger carrots.
They're baby carrots.
Yeah, they were baby carrots.
What in the world?
Oh, it's an offshoot.
Wow, I gotta go finish the oven.
All right, see you later, son. Enjoy oven cleaning. It's more fun than harvesting baby carrots, though.
Look at how cute it is.
You should eat it.
I will after I wash it.
All right.
I don't know what's been in this dirt. Especially cow manure. Look at how cute this thing is.
Yeah, those turned out nice.
I'm gonna leave this one. and
Okay.
The other one.
All right.
These don't look sharp.
They look like
Homegrown.
the ones we started from seed, don't they? Here, get that hand tool in there and loosen it up.
No, it's not that. It's the. There we go. It's the hair.
Oh, there you go. Look at that guy.
It looks like a cow thing. Meow, meow.
What? Cow thing?
Yeah, a little cow thing. With a
Meow,
little
meow.
wedge.
Cow
It's a
wedge?
sea cow. Whatever those are.
Sea
It's
cows?
Yeah, sea cow. You know those big things?
Those are called manatees.
No, they're not.
Yeah,
they
they
have
are.
tusks.
Oh, those are called elephant seals.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, sea cows are manatees.
Oh,
Those are big in Florida. Not so big in California. Ibbity, that's all, folks. Except not yet. That was too soon. Very, very nice. Real carrots.
Of course they're real carrots. Why wouldn't they be? Grow carrots at home, they're good. They're good for both your eyes and they taste good to me.
Mm-hmm.
I would advise putting them with beans because beans leave out something called nitrogen. I'm not sure if that's correct, but I think it take out nitrogen, and carrots are nitrogen hungry, so they'll take extra nitrogen, and there's the hummingbird on the beans.
Nice. That's right. So the legumes, or the beans, put nitrogen in the soil, and the carrots take a lot of nitrogen out of the soil. So next year we're going to companion plant them next to each other so they can both benefit. The things you learn.
Your hummingbird's back.
Okay. Well, we're doing carrots now. The hummingbird comes back for our beans all the time.
We're always doing carrots. That's our cute face. Smells like a carrot too.
It is a carrot. They seem to be coming out easier than the onions.
Yeah, because they're cute.
They're cute, yeah. Very cute. Is that it? Was that the last one?
No.
No? Oh.
There's still one more.
One more.
It's amazing what you can grow from seed.
That's true. These we didn't grow from seed. But these, the ones we're leaving, we did grow from seed. They're a little bit behind schedule.
Because Dad didn't fertilize them.
Well, we should have grown them into small plants before we put them in the ground. We just put seeds into the dirt, and they're a little bit behind. But they'll get there.
We call them chubby bunnies.
You call them chubby bunnies. I call them fat rabbits.
What do we do with this one?
Well, that's the one you eat raw. You just close your eyes and bite.
It's bitten into. Well, it's split.
From our burrowing animal. All right, we'll be back to look at the final harvest after it's been cleaned up. All right, here we are.
Final wrap up.
Final wrap up.
White, red, and my beautiful
Well, white onions, red onions, and baby carrots.
You know, I think the carrots just got my shirt wet.
Oh, you poor thing. He's our power gardener. He gets upset when he gets wet. Maybe gets a little dirt under his fingernails. All right, and so here they are.
Getting stuff underneath my fingernails.
They were grown right here in our raised bed that's now ready for radishes.
Why is the dirt
All we
so
have to do
hot?
is germinate. Look at this. What a gardener. The dirt's all hot. My
Hey,
fingers
I'm
are dirty.
barefoot.
I'm getting wet. All right.
I'm barefoot.
Don't you dare
Bail
drop
out.
this.
Bail out. Let the real gardener get in here.
Don't drop it, dude.
All right.
Y'all have shoes.
Well, nobody said you couldn't come out here without shoes, so well, we feel terrible for you. All right, so that's it.